What's going on, guys? I'm going to do another trade recap here. This is actually a trade that me and Andre from the Discord actually took. If you're watching, man, we should have held this trade a lot longer. I'm going to kind of show us, for myself too. I like going over trades that I enter, things that I could do differently for next time. I always got to learn. A lot of this game is emotional. Um, when you see games, you don't want to give them back, but I'm going to kind of show exactly, how we could eliminate that. But for the rest of you guys, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Trade setup is AMD. This is the 5-minute time frame. The purple line that is on the screen is the 20-period moving average. I'm going to keep beating this into your head until you guys start picking up what I'm laying down, okay? The more times you see it, the easier it's going to be to identify once it is happening in real live market time. What I'm looking for is the stock to be trading underneath the 20-period moving average. This price action is in pre-market. So guys, sometimes we are trading below the 20-period moving average in the pre-market, okay? And then right off the bell, we get that big green explosive candle, okay? Like we did here. We cannot just go jumping into this first 5-minute candle. We can't, okay? Just due to the fact that when this starts to surge here pre-market and this candle opens up and starts to turn red, you can't just jump in here thinking that it's going to go higher, okay? Because what happens that time where it closes here, trade sideways and comes back down, okay? So we got to give it enough time. So what are we looking for on this strategy? We're looking for the trade to be trading underneath 20-period moving average, okay? We're looking for that first close over the 20-period moving average. So this red bar actually is the market open. Market opens here, 635, kind of spikes above. Does not mean to just jump in because we crossed the 20-period moving average. No. We have to close, okay? So we get a big long wick down, okay? We could have closed down. You could have jumped in here because it passed the 20-period moving average, wicks down, trade sideways, and now you're in a shit show, okay? We needed to close over the 20-period moving average. Now, 645, 640, here we go. We close over the 20-period moving average. This is our setup. This is our setup. We have two entries here. We're looking to enter on the confirmation of the candle's close, which is this pink line here, or the top wick price, which is here. Either or is fine. Obviously, getting in down here is a little bit more risky. However, getting in down here eliminates more risk because you can get in. It could quickly spike here to the middle of this wick and then come back down, okay? So it's a little bit more risky. However, anytime we're putting on these trades, we have to assume the risk. What is our stop? A close below the 20-period moving average. If a stock is trading over the 20-period moving average on the 5-minute time frame, do we want to be shorting stocks? No. Okay? If a stock is trading below the 20-period moving average on a 5-minute time frame, do we want to be going long? No. Okay? Now that we have that clear, this would be our entry here, somewhere in here, somewhere in here. This confirmation candle, we would enter here or here, okay? Just kind of looking at the price action here. That price would be 150. Let's just call it 150 even for the sake of the video. Price down here is 148.93, so only giving it about 7 cent worth of slippage here. 150 is where we're going to enter this play here. We do get 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. I like to tell you guys to start taking profits 2 to 3 pushes higher. If we entered at 150 and we get this initial push here to 152.30, that's 2.5 points almost, guys. 2.5 points. We do get this pause, okay? Get a nice little spike here, and then we get a pause. This is like You're taking a breath. Imagine running a marathon, or you're running a marathon, you're running a marathon, you're running a marathon. You're halfway through. You pull over to the side, you grab a glass of water, you take that big breath, and now you start running again. Okay? Anytime we get multiple green candles back to back to back to back, and you get one pause red candle, this is a loading zone, guys. This is a loading zone here or here. Okay. This is a loading zone for the next push. Okay. You could have add to your size here. We did pull back. However, did not close below the 20 period moving average. This also was a little bit of a flag pattern here. You could have added to your position here, consolidated sideways, right? A lot of choppiness that you emotionally have to sit through. Did get a surge higher and then kind of just grinded algo selling higher. Now we did close below the 20 period moving average here, close to, what time is this? Close to 11 a.m. and that price is 155. Guys, our entry was 150 to 150.20. This price here is 155. That's a 5-point move. Take 10 contracts. Trust your strategy. Also did give us a second entry here. Okay, we could have played this possibly 2 times. We get this first close on the 20 period moving average here. We kind of trade sideways. We do get a little peekaboo here, a little peekaboo here. That's not what we're looking for. We are looking for a solid body close over the 20 period moving average. We could have taken a second entry somewhere in the vicinity of 155.71. And this did go up to 157.40, 157.95, guys. 157.95. Now, you're never going to catch the whole move. However, if you took an entry, let's say 155.75, and you even wrote it to this first red candle, that's 156.87, guys. Remember what I said, though, back here? What is this? What is this? Okay. We're running a marathon, and we see this. What does that mean to do, guys? Add, or if you don't want to add, stay patient and let's see, do we confirm the marathon? Yes, we did. Okay. It's all a mental game, guys. All a mental game. I think me and Andre, we got in close to this breakout here. Somewhere in this vicinity, in this area, is where we got in by the time we caught this play. We did ride it up this way, and I think we got shaken out in here. Okay. So as much as I emphasize to stick to the trade plan, okay, I myself did get shaken out. I am human. I am not a fucking robot, okay? I am not a robot. I am not a, an algorithm. I am human, okay? So every trader, does not matter how long you've been trading, whether you're new, old, seasoned, a rookie, a newbie, a veteran, does not matter. Emotions will get to you. What did allow me to get shaken out here? Okay. 2 things were happening at this very specific time. One, I was also in 3 other positions, one of them being JPM that faked me out, spiked up, and I had to cut the trade break even. Okay. 2, I was in a Tesla trade. And if you've ever traded Tesla, you know that this thing swings in dollars. And when you're trading options contracts, especially on a short week, especially weeklies, those things require a lot of attention. So at this specific time, when the market started to pull back, I did hesitate. I did tell myself, you know what? I don't like this candle here. We are pulling back to the 20. I'd rather save the profits, that I currently have, and I'd rather just take my profits here. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Nothing wrong with taking profits. If me and Andre entered here, there's nothing wrong with taking profits here or here. Nothing wrong with it. Now, of course, in hindsight, when you look at it, if you entered in this vicinity and you see it ride up high, of course, you're going to be kicking yourself in the ass knowing that you could have taken big fat paycheck over here. But that's the name of the game, guys. That's the name of the game. Control your emotions. If you want to put the risk on the table, if you want to let the trade work out in your favor, then we have to give it the respect of, if it's trading over the 20 period moving average, we have to continue to stay in the trade and hold it until you see fit. whether that be for a loss, break even, or for a fat profit. You have to see the trade through. This is also another buying opportunity here. Just, just to reiterate that buying opportunity, buying opportunity, buying opportunity. Okay. So multiple trades, for different styles of traders. Some of you guys are scalpers. Some of you guys are swing traders. Some of you guys like to day trade. Some of you guys don't like, that 5 minute time frame. The price action moves too fast. Some of you guys are impatient. You guys don't like waiting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours for a trade to develop. You have to mind yourself, guys. This trade here took all day. Okay. So yes, even though it is a very, very good profit gain here, if you're constantly watching this go up and down and then down and seeing profits go away, and then you get happy again, euphoria here, and then chop around, time decay here on your contracts, nothing doing, and then we get this little pause down here, and it's like, shit, man, I probably had more money here than I did here. Why did I hold? It's the name of the game, guys. It's the name of the game. Okay. You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. Stocks are designed to go up and down. Okay, up and down, nothing ever in a straight line. I hope that helps, guys. Please enjoy the video. Rewatch this video over and over and over. 20 period moving average, 5-minute time frame. We're looking to trade underneath the 20 period moving average. We're looking for a close over the 20 period moving average. We're looking for confirmation of that price action. Okay, we're looking for confirmation of that price action. We get long here, pullback. We either do one of two things: we add or we continue to hold because we did not close below the 20 period moving average. We start taking profits here. Okay, consolidation, breakout, we start taking profits here. Okay, if you're in from over here, you're going to be stopped out here. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay, if you were in here, somewhere in this area, you would be taking profits there. Okay, here you would be sweating a little bit. Here you would be sweating a little bit. As soon as we broke out, you should have added dollars here. Sideways consolidation, hang tight. Okay, hope that helps. Join the Discord. I will see you guys all in the next video.